We live in a world where motivation is always loud. Everyone's yelling, everyone's hype, everyone's telling you to go harder. But I learned something. Motivation doesn't need noise. I used to think that it wasn't feeling motivated all the time. Then something was wrong with me. Like maybe I wasn't disciplined enough, maybe I wasn't trying hard enough. But the truth is, the most meaningful progress I made in my life, I didn't come from loud moment. It comes from a quiet ones. Loud motivation feels good, music blasting, big speeches, the trust where you feel like you can do anything. But loud motivation fades. Quiet motivation is different. Quiet motivation is showing up when you are feel inspired, even when it's boring, even when no one knows you're working on. It doesn't shout, it doesn't stay. There were times when I stopped talking about my plans, not because I didn't believe in myself, but because I was protecting my focus. Some of my best progress I made happen in silence. No validation, no applause, just consistency. If you're in the season right now, you are working hard but nothing seems to be happening, yet I want you to hear this. Seeds don't grow in open, they grow underground. And just because people can see you progress doesn't mean it's not happening. You don't owe the world an explanation for your face. You don't have to announce your goal. You don't have to prove your self discipline. Sometimes silence weakest its focus. So take your time, move at your own pace, protect your energy. You don't need to be loud to be driven. You don't need to be seen to be serious. Motivations doesn't need noise. Sometimes it just need you to quiet, keep going.